Alright, let's check out this drive-through car wash. I know what you're thinking. Why are you taking your car through the car wash? Well, this is my Toyota. You've seen the paint. It's faded. I don't care. I just need it to be clean.
Okay, so for the Nissan Subaru, we're going to go ahead and do a proper hand wash. As you can see, pretty dirty with water spots and all kinds of dirt and grime. I can't really tell in the Nissan video, but you can see the Subaru has a lot of bug spots, so we'll try to clean those out. But yeah, I'll be using dish soap in preparedness to detail these cars later on. But yeah, I've never done this before, but let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, now that the cars are covered in soap, go ahead and rinse them off and get to our touch wash.
One important step that we want to do here is actually rinse off our buckets. Even though these are brand new, they might have some dust that has accumulated, and we don't want that scratching our paint.
Flaquito Hill en el big.
And one last step, I like to rinse off the mitt that I'm going to be using.
Get your microfiber towel, and you just want to shake off any excess dust. You want to glide along your car. Let the towel do all the work for you.
Alrighty then, Nissan is all clean, at least with the touchless and touch portion. She's looking really good, if I do say so myself. Yep, that's looking pretty dang good. Alright, so what I'll do now is I'll put the Nissan in the garage and finish with the Subaru. So one thing I like to do is I like to split the car into 4 ways. So this way, and then each way cut it by half and kind of work that section, that section, that section, and then that last quarter back there.